Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how do I remove invalid email addresses from autofill from my Google browser or Mozilla browser, Opera browser or Microsoft Edges. How to remove? Let me show you. Yes, from my laptop I just opened Chrome browser and I just have a lot of information stored in my Google Chrome. So how to delete the autofill email address? For example, I just log in with any other Gmail account or I just sign in with Gmail means it will automatically ask my direct email addresses. What are the email addresses are there? Everything will be displayed over there and everything will be logged in. How to remove this autofill option? So on your Google Chrome, right hand side you will find an option called three dots. Just hit the button, just go to history. Each and every pages has the history, every browser has the history. So just hit the history and you will find an option called clear browsing data. Just hit the button clear browsing data. So here you have to find out, this is the basic clearing browsing data, so don't clear this option, just uncheck this and just go to advanced. Once you go to advanced option, just choose all time and remove what are the unchecks were there you have to remove, and you need to check only autofill from data. So just remove this and uncheck all the details. So you have to clear only autofill from data. So this is the most important. For example, if you are browsing anything else means everything automatically filled your email address and it may create any other errors. So if you remove this option, if you clear this option means automatically your browser won't get autofill. So once I check this and I have unchecked all the things, only I check this option and just click clear data means automatically my autofill data will be cleared. So now I just click here again, I just click here means there is none option. Before that it was a suggestion, now it is in none, so there is no autofill from data. So similarly I just open Mozilla browser. So the Mozilla browser also has a lot of options were given over here. So I just click here in your right hand side corner and I just go to history. So I just click clear recent history, and once I select this one, just click everything and active logins, just click and uncheck all the details, and clear now means automatically your entire data will be clear and you can't enter your entire datas without the email address, so that it won't be fill your emails. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.